All right, welcome back. Well, right now you're looking at your screen. This is one look at how the blood flows to your heart. And our friends at STEM Nola also have a great way of teaching you this lesson with a couple of household items. Always a great way to learn and have some fun with your young students, your kids, whoever you got around you. Just a great way to experiment. Let's welcome STEM Nola staff member Tiara Arvinger and also a student from Patrick Taylor High School. We have Donovan Murray here with us this morning. So guys, I think, and I don't want to assume anything, I feel like I might have seen this one maybe years ago. I love coming on with you guys because I always learn something new. I'm not going to pretend like I know what's going on, so talk me through what we're doing here. I'll start with Donovan. Go ahead and tell me.
Okay, so we are doing a demonstration on how the heart is going to work. And what you're going to want is a plastic cup, kind of like
blood.
this. You're going to want it of water, preferably dyed red.
Yep.
Then you're going to want a toothpick to skewer it. Then you're going to want 2 straws, a red and a blue one.
So far, these are things that if you're a parent, you probably already have around your house somewhere.
And then you're going to want a balloon that's cut in half.
Okay. All right, so let's go. Let's take one step further. Tiara, you want to tell us what the next steps are here? Let's go. Let's do it.
Yeah, so first thing we're gonna do is, like you'll see here, he has one end of the straw is closed off, so that way that nothing can come out.
Okay.
And then this one can be kind of bent up like this.
Okay.
And then we have our balloon that is gonna be stretched over the top of your blood red cup.
Right.
And then you'll take a toothpick, you'll poke 2 holes into the balloon.
Those both are blue, and these are arteries, obviously. I'm just assuming. Yeah, right.
And then you'll kind of have it look something like this. And then Donovan, you want to tell him?
Donovan, yeah, because you gave me one. I was like, only thing I can do really is ruin this. But you gave me one thing I know I can do. Just hold this.
Yeah,
for you,
all you have to do,
right,
hold it
and tight.
Hopefully this will go over smoothly.
No, you're good.
And like so. And here.
Almost.
Oh. Almost.
Looks like we almost got it. Boom. I think so.
Yay.
I think so. That's close enough. Yeah.
So
a little bend in our, there we go.
It's
Perfect. Perfect.
So now that it's like this, you're going to want to take your toothpick and you're going to want to poke it 3 inches apart like so.
There you go.
And like so.
Okay.
Then you're going to want to take your blue straw that's already covered and you're going to put it on the left side.
It shouldn't be too hard with the hole, just kind of poke it right in. There you go.
Ooh.
Got a little blood somewhere, but that's okay. We'll use it. He got a little too excited. He punched a hole right in the heart. But we got this other one that'll work. So we'll definitely show you how it works.
And you're just going to put it on the other side right here. Ooh, a little blood.
That's all right. It's all right.
It's all
Good.
right.
It's not real, guys. I promise. All right, and so that's the, okay, so we have that. Let's go with the one that's and we're gonna pump it, right? Show us what we do next over here.
All you really have to do is you're gonna wanna try to hold it up straight, and you're just gonna press very gently in the middle, like so.
Oh, there you go.
Blood's gonna start coming out.
And you see this blood's going up to this side, it's stopping right here. And so Donovan, I mean, this is just one of many experiences. We try to teach kids, and STEM Nola, y'all are so good about this. Talk to me about your future plans, because I'm told you are kind of keeping this STEM thing going a little bit.
Yeah, I plan on doing mechanical engineering. I'm gonna go to Case Western Reserve University in Ohio, and I got in on scholarship, the Posse Scholarship.
Let's go, man. I love hearing that. I love hearing that. And Tiara, I'll ask you too, because I know you work with these kids. You do a lot of fun stuff. Really quick, tell me what you can, anybody else who wants to get involved, you're a volunteer. If anybody else sees this and goes, I love STEM, I want to hang out with these kids and teach them stuff, what can you tell them?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you're interested in doing stuff like this with our kids, we have volunteer opportunities available all year round. We always need college students and professionals in STEM fields, education, and health science to come out and help show the future of STEM, what careers are available to them and how they can get involved with things like this.
I love that. You're tugging at my heartstrings. Look at that. That's what it's supposed to do. All right, guys, we appreciate y'all always, STEM Nola, for coming on right now. Donovan, great to meet you. Can't wait to see what you do with your life, man. It sounds awesome. All right, 9:51 here.